Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I talk about something simple but nostalgic, the classic calculator for Windows. Although Microsoft in Windows 11 made it open source, and Microsoft is constantly expanding its functionality. For example, the software giant Redmond added the graphing mode, but some users find the new features useless, and they do not like the implementation and user experience of newer programs. For them, the old classic calculator package becomes a real solution. So we will learn how to get old classic calculator for Windows 11. Open the following website, and I will leave you the download link for old classic calculator in the video description. All you have to do now is read the description carefully and click the download button. An old classic calculator will be downloaded immediately. Then open your downloads folder and extract the contents of the zip archive folder. Then, click to open the folder, and double-click on the setup file, then click Next on the welcome page. Select the destination folder to install the application in, and click Next, then select Create a Shortcut on the desktop, and you can install the application for the current user, or for all users. Choose what suits you and click Next. Finally click Install, and after the installation process, click the Finish button. A shortcut for the old classic calculator will be created on your desktop. You can now use it easily. This is the classic calculator that many of us love. It is lightweight, easy to use, and feels perfect for quick calculations. I will leave you the download links in the video description. For more tech tips and tricks, let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And I hope the video was useful to you. And I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.